Ladies and gentlemen, got another neighbor we go to. My neighbors love me and I love them. They're awesome. So we're gonna get rid of some viney growth. I forget what the name is, but it's really obnoxious. Starts to cover everything. Pretty horrendous. So we're gonna clean that stuff up, and we might do some stuff here later, some little piles here and there. But yeah, let's go mulching time. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what we have here is Solandra. You see the viney outcroppings. They usually have nice flowers sometimes, but they grow on trees. So yeah, let's get that sucker down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, shooting this on my SD card got full. So, as you guys can see, I have all my supervisors here. But yeah, I was able to definitely get that whole hillside and you know, just get it done so it's manageable, maintainable. I don't know if you guys can see any difference there. But yeah, so I'm gonna go across back to our property, and yeah, we'll just do some more work. I'll catch you on the flip side. All right, see you later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are done for today. Sorry for the shakiness. This is not my DJI Osmo. But yeah, so we are getting progress done. So yeah, we just mulched around here a little bit after the job. You guys saw the hillside that I did. Hopefully the video is long enough because my SD card, don't get me started. So yeah, we're almost done. It was a cooker today. So So yeah, I'll leave it to you on that one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and aloha. Thanks for watching.